What up guys, this is Phon-Er Gold. This is vlog 201. We are here in Las Vegas Village right now. It's a pretty gloomy atmosphere out there, the aura, but it's cool. I'm feeling the high vibes because I'm inner peacefully energized, not externally, so it's all good. And we are here to do an iPhone 6s Black coming up right now. It's from a customer from Yelp. It's a Sunday, so he called. They said I was at a Halloween party and I just cracked my phone because I was kind of wasted. I was like, that's cool, that's legit, low key. And so we're gonna get his phone done and make him happy. So let's do this thing. Peace, cut.